Welcome to LupoScan Tutorial 2. In this tutorial, you will learn how to orientate laser scans using identical points. First, download the data for this tutorial from the link provided in the description of the video. Then, import the data into LupoScan by dragging and dropping the folder containing it into the left section of the screen. Open the reference file and set the icon for the coordinate system in the bottom right corner of the dialog. You can switch between a couple of options. Choose the first one. By pressing the 3D button, you can also display the reference points in the 3D view. Next, open Scan 1. This activates the Orientation button. Click on it. The Determine Individual Points button in the toolbar will be activated automatically. In the file browser, select the world reference file to start the orientation. Enter the number 103 in the text field. You can deactivate the increment checkbox so that the point number in the field above does not automatically increase after measuring the point. Zoom into target 103. You can click manually in the center of the target. Alternatively, if you check the correlation checkbox and click within the radius of the center, which is 20 pixels in this case, the center of the target will be found automatically if the correlation grade is greater than or equal to the threshold value provided in the field above. Next, measure point 102. If you activate the increment checkbox, you can change the point number using the mouse wheel. After measuring at least 2 points that already exist in the reference file, you can perform preorientation. Click the Pre-Ori button. A window with the results will appear. Click Yes to accept it. In the next dialog, you'll be asked if you want the software to automatically measure the remaining known control points and orientate the scan for you. For now, click Cancel. Back in the scan, the remaining known control points are marked with yellow circles. Click on point 104. You'll notice that the point is measured simply by clicking on it, without needing to enter its number into the dialog. This is because, after accepting the pre-orientation, the Auto checkbox in the Orientation dialog was automatically activated. Click on the Pre-Ori button again. Confirm the results by clicking Yes, and then click OK in the following dialog. In the Orientation dialog, you'll see that LupoScan has measured the remaining known control points. Notice that point 10 produces the largest residual. To exclude it from the calculations, click No, and in the Orientation dialog, double-click on it. This excludes it from the calculations by adding the prefix -100 to the point number. Press Ori again and accept the orientation. Activate the small gray globe icon. You'll see that the reference system icon you set now appears next to the scan you just orientated. This gives you an overview of which scans are orientated and which reference system they belong to in case there's more than one. Now display scans 1 and 2 as point clouds. Open scan 2 and the point cloud dialog. Set the color to red and the increment to 2. Activate the Multiple Files checkbox and press the Add All Opened Windows button. In the Channel field, choose Intensity, Change Color option. You'll notice that these two scans of the same room don't overlap. Return to scan 2 and orientate it. Measure 2 targets. Perform the preorientation and let LupoScan find the remaining points. Measure them as well. Since target 104 is not clearly visible and the threshold of 0.80 is not reached, orientate the scan without it. You'll see that the symbol for the reference file now appears next to scan 2 as well. Finally, visualize both scans as a point cloud again. This time, they fit together correctly.